In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change kit.com form button link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control where subscribers go after they click your forms button, whether that's a thank you page, a download page, or any custom URL you choose. First, open your Kit Forms dashboard. This is where all your forms live, whether they're landing pages, pop-ups, or embedded forms on your site. Pick the specific form you want to update so you're changing the link in the right place. Once you're inside that form's editor, head to the settings area. Depending on your layout, this may be labeled settings, incentive, success page, or something similar. What you're looking for is the option that controls the after subscribe action. Common labels include redirect URL or after subscribe. This setting tells Kit where to send people immediately after they submit the form, and it's the real source of your button's destination. The button itself usually doesn't store a link, the success or redirect action does. When you find that field, replace the existing URL with the new link you want to use. Paste the full address, including HTTPS, and double check for typos. If you deliver a lead magnet, remember that the download page lives here too, so you can point new subscribers directly to it. If your goal is to send people to a thank you page on your site, this is where you paste that page's URL. If you don't immediately see a redirect option, your form might be set to show a success message instead. Look for settings like incentive delivery page or success message instead of redirect. Switch that preference from showing a message to using a redirect URL, and the link field will appear. Then paste your destination and you're good to go. After updating the link, save your changes. Click Save, and then click Update or Publish so the change goes live. If your form is embedded on a site, publishing in Kit updates the behavior everywhere that form appears, so there's nothing extra you need to do on your website. A quick pro tip, use the preview or open the live form, submit a test entry, and confirm you land on the correct page. If something doesn't look right, return to the same settings area, verify the URL, and make sure the redirect option is enabled instead of a success message. That's it. Open the form, find the after subscribe or redirect setting, replace the link, and publish. Simple, reliable, and fully in your control.